By records, we have the following parties that participated with their candidates: ADC, APC, APGA, PDP, SDP, and ZLP. By the collation and then the figure that each candidate of each party had the following: Akin Alamun Dexter Femi of ADC, 256 votes, 256 votes. Olatunji Hastrop Adewale, APC, 8312 votes, 8,312 votes. Odushusi Olajumoke Olabisi of Abga, 40 votes. Oyekunle Fola Sunday, PDP, 18404, 18,404. Abdulkadir Salamiya Oluwatoyin of SDP, 88 votes, and Hamid Badmos of ZLP, 18 votes. I, Professor Abiodun Oluwafemi, hereby certify that I am the returning officer for the 2025 Ibadan North Federal Constituency election held on the 16th August 2025. The election was contested and the candidate received the votes as announced. The highest number of votes of 18,404 was obtained by Oyekunle Fola Sunday. That Oyekunle Fola Sunday of PDP, having satisfied the requirements of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned. God bless you.